Hi, my name is Arden Thomas, Product Manager for Cincom Smalltalk, and I'm here today to talk to you about a goodie called ProgressGrid that I created. ProgressGrid is a defragmentation inspired visualization. So basically you can give it a key as a unit of work, and when that piece of unit of work is waiting to be done, the square is red. When it's in process, it's orange, and when it's completed, it's been green. So this is the comment on the parcel. Let's run an example here so you can see what that looks like. Now that went very fast. Let's do one that has a little delay time in it. So this is a defragmentation inspired visualization so you can see exactly where things are, a little more information than a status bar, and hopefully a little more interesting or entertaining to look at. Let's take a look at the API for the ProgressGrid application. Let's look at the examples here. So here we open a new instance of the application and open it. We give it the keys. You could use integers. I'm using symbols to represent a unit of work. And you can also set the window label as part of the API so you can see exactly what you're looking at the progress for. Then all you have to do to the application is send it in progress and the symbol, in my case, and completed. So that's the API. It's in progress or it's completed, and then we close it. Let's look at the wait. Here for each key we do the same things. For each key we tell it in progress, wait 5 milliseconds, then send it completed. So this will turn it orange, green, orange, green, orange, green. What if we want to see more orange at once? So basically we have multiple things in progress at once. Well, the nice thing is that this also very easily lends itself to working with PollySafely. So here's an example using PollySafely in which I create 7 headless images. I get the keys. I create a shared queue of the keys for shared access by the multiple threads. I open the application, give it the keys. I create, in this case, 7 new PollySafely virtual machines, my drones. For each machine I fork off a thread, and what it does is each thread grabs the next symbol from the shared queue and processes it. When that queue is empty, it'll be nil, and it will fall through and shut down that virtual machine. So what it does when it gets a symbol, it says it's in progress, then it sends this method with the key out to that virtual machine, gets the results, puts the results in results, and then sets the status to completed for that unit of work. Okay, then when they're all done, they all shut down. We wait until they're all done, close the application, and return the final results. Let's take a look at that running. By the way, you can also make this full size to see a little more interesting. So you've got more things turning, should be like roughly 7 things turning orange, and then those 7 things turning green. If the time difference was greater for the different items, it would look a little different. And that's basically ProgressGrid. Next screencast, next month, I'd like to talk about the implementation of this and some of those details. But hopefully, by the way, you can find ProgressGrid out in the Cincom Smalltalk repository. And any questions, please send them to athomas@cincom.com. And I hope you have found this entertaining, interesting, or useful. Thanks, and see you next time.